Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1 subject English. Dear student, today I am going to teach you unit 1 lesson 3 reading story Can I Play? Pages 4 and 5 of your progressive English book 1. Let's start our lesson. Oh, this is the story time. I know you like story very much. First of all, you have to know what are the characters of the story. Every story has different characters, and these characters make the story very interesting. Let's see what are the characters of our story. Oh, who is this? This is the first character of our story. She is Fiza. She likes playing with Ali. What does she like? Likes playing with Ali. Read after me. She likes playing with Ali. Who is this? He is Ali. He is Fiza's brother. He likes his Game Boy. What does he like? He likes his Game Boy. Who is the next character? She is the next character. She is Sarah. She is Fiza's sister. She is Ali's sister too. She likes her books. She is holding a book and she enjoys reading. She likes to read books. Who is this? She is Fiza's mother. She is picking flowers. She likes her flowers. Who is this? This is Fiza's father. He likes his van. Yes, look at this van. This is red in color. Yes, Fiza's father likes his van. Who is this? This is Biff. Biff is Fiza's teddy bear. Biff is Fiza's teddy bear.
Can I play with you, Ali?
Sorry, Fiza. I'm playing with my Game Boy.
Can I play with you, Sarah?
Sorry, Fiza. I'm reading my book.
Can I play with you, Mummy? Sorry, Fiza. I'm picking flowers. Can I play with you, Daddy?
Sorry, Fiza. I'm mending my van.
I can play with you. Thank you, Biff. Oh dear! Run! Fiza!
Fiza! Yes, student, here the story ends. What happened in the story? Fiza wanted to play with her family members. She went to everybody, but everyone was busy. Ali was playing with his Game Boy. Sarah, Fiza's sister, was reading a storybook. Mummy was picking her flowers. Father was mending his van. Now Fiza's teddy bear played with her. When they started playing, Fiza hit the ball. Oh, window was broken. Both of them got a fright, so they ran away. They Fiza broke the window. Now, students, you have to do activities. Activity number B. Use the words from the story to complete the sentences. In this question, you have to complete the sentences. Look at these sentences. Mummy is Fiza's dash. What word can you put here? Mother, father, brother, sister. Very easy. Mummy is mother. Yes, you use mother for mummy. You have to put here mother. Mummy is Fiza's mother. Daddy is Fiza's dash. Daddy, father. Daddy means father. Daddy is Fiza's father. You have to put father here. Ali is Fizaz's, brother. Yes, you are right. Ali is Fizaz's brother. You have to put brother here. The answers mother, father, and brother. Now comes to next activity. Answer these questions. What does Dash like? He likes his Game Boy. Ali likes his Game Boy. You have to put simply here Ali. What does Ali like? He likes his Game Boy. And this is Ali. This picture is for you. Now comes to next. What does Dash like? Mummy, Fizaz's mother likes her flowers. You have to put here mother. What does mother like? She likes her flowers. You have to put mother here. Now comes to next one. Who is this? He is Fizaz's father. What does Dash like? He likes his van. Father, you have to put here father. What does father like? He likes his van. Yes, now comes to next question. Oh, now I'm talking to your parents. Yes, dear parents, these guidelines for you. You have to make the child read Can I Play from pages 4 and 5. Number 1, pointing to each bubble, ask the child to point and read after you. This is very important. Number 2, ask the child to practice reading the bubbles in pairs. He or she can also practice reading it at home with you or siblings, brother and sister. Okay. They are the list of reading words. Okay. Your child should read all these words correctly with correct pronunciation. Number 3, ask the child to learn these spellings. Yes, your child should learn all these words with correct spelling. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. L-I-K-E, like. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Now, fourth one activity, ask the child to complete question B and question C in his or her book. Take care of his, her or her handwriting. Okay. Yes. Question 5. Ask these questions to check his or her comprehension about the story. This is very important. You have to check your child comprehension about the story. Question 1. What is Ali doing? You can ask this question. What is Ali doing? He answers. He or she answers. Ali is playing with his Game Boy. How many chairs can you see in picture 1? Point to the picture 1 and ask this question. Point to the picture 2 and ask the question. How many books can you see in picture 2? Yes. Point to the picture 3 and ask how many mangoes. And you can ask how many bananas, how many flowers can you see in picture 3? What is Fizaz's mother doing? You can ask all these questions and you can make more questions on your own. This now lesson has been completed. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.